What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to fix this screen not responding error or issue in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So I booted my Pokemon TCG app, but nothing seems to be responding wherever I click on the screen, and the whole screen is frozen. But I can still use my phone features anyway. So let me show you guys how you can fix this issue. So let's exit the app. And even when I exit the app, the music is still playing, as you can hear. So from here, just remove the app from your recent history, just like this, and go over to your phone settings. Once you're here, just scroll down until you can see apps, right here. So just click on the apps tab, and then again click on the apps. And here in a few moments, all the apps that I have installed on my phone will load. So here just search for Pokemon TCG, and click on the app. Then a new detailed menu will load under the Pokemon TCG app. So here you just need to click on the storage tab right here, and click this clear cache button right here, the lower one. Now when the cache is cleared, let's try to open up Pokemon TCG again. And now if I try to click anything on the screen, you can see that the app is responsive once more. So the screen is no longer frozen, and I can use the Pokemon TCG app as I used to before. So that's how you can fix this frozen screen issue in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.